Hello friends, welcome to this channel and I hope that you all are doing well. Today we are going to learn that how to protect your Excel sheet. Okay, a very useful function given by the MS Excel here. You can protect your any sheet of Excel. Okay, by using this function. Okay, without wasting any time, let's start. Okay, please see at my screen, guys. I have a sheet, okay, sheet 1 by name sheet 1, okay. In this sheet I have some confidential data. If I have some confidential data, okay, and I want to protect it from anyone, okay, then how can I do this? Very simple, very useful function given by the MS Excel here. So how can you use this function? Let me explain. Okay, go to the review tab. Okay, here is the review tab. First file, second home, third insert, fourth page layout, fifth formulas, sixth data, and seventh tab is the review tab. Okay, click on it. Okay, here you have to find the option protect sheet. Yeah, this is the option protect sheet. Okay, click on it. Here the Excel has given us so many options to use. You can read it. By default, these two options are selected. First one is selected locked cell, select unlocked cell. Suppose I want to uh, select it. Okay, then click on it, format cell. After selecting this, nobody can format any cells. Okay, suppose I will select this, then nobody can format columns. Suppose I will click this, nobody can format rows. Like this, nobody can insert any column, nobody can insert any rows, nobody can insert any hyperlinks in this sheet, nobody can delete columns, nobody can delete rows, nobody can sort the columns, nobody can use auto filter, nobody can use my data to create any pivot table or pivot chart. Okay, after nobody can edit object also, and at last nobody can edit scenarios also related to my set. Okay, suppose I selected all the given option by the MS Excel. After selecting the option, please click on OK. Yeah, got it. Suppose now if I want to delete this data, I want to delete this from this. Okay, suppose I click on delete. The system will say me a message that the cell or chart you are trying to change is on a protected sheet. To make a change, unprotect the sheet first. You might be requested to enter a password. Okay. So from here you can protect any sheet of Excel. Okay. I hope you learn from today's session. And if you like my video, then please subscribe this channel. And I also want to request all of you, then please like, comment and share also on my videos. And I will be back with a new subject to all of you. Thank you guys till the time. Bye.